Hey y'all, Instinct Survivalist coming again with another product review. This one's going to be a little different. This is part of a series. Now this series is part of the Mountainside Mettle, M-E-T-T-L-E, series of knives from the Survival University. Notice the shirt, right? Okay, anyway. So long story short, what they've done is they've created 3 different knives. You've probably seen the teaser videos going along, as well as the unboxing of all of them, right? The mail call, so to speak. What they have is the Spirit, they have the Courage, and they have the Gallantry. Now in those, what we'll do is we'll do a separate video with all the specs for each one of them, and we'll also do a testing one that goes through, hey, how does it cut? How does it hold? How well does it feel in your hands, etc., etc. But Bill, you owe us I know. I've already had lengthy conversations. That's on me, flat, plain and simple, on me. However, we're geared up, ready to go and try this all again. But what this is the Spirit. And again, what it is a collaborative design from the Survival University team and their experts. In that, what it means is they're going to be able to do with the Spirit specifically, it's designed for functionality as well as the precision work you need for outdoors, and more specifically bushcrafting, right? You want to do a tri-stick, if you want to do some whittling for that matter, or if you want to do like trap triggers, things of that nature. So what we're going to do is let's go through this. I'm going to read off some of the specs because, well, I don't remember them, but I will also put them in the description. I'll also put in the link for where you can buy it in the description. And hey, how about a special? Yeah, buy all 3 and you get money off. That's, I know, you spend more money, you save money. It's a vicious cycle. It is a true vicious cycle. Anyway, so the Spirit is actually a 10-inch knife. It is an ambidextrous knife, so you can go in and you can draw it, and it looks very nice. I like the drop point to the front. It's got their logo on it, and again, one of those things where you've got a lot of flexibility from the sheath. It's got the double expandable ferro rod holders. So let me give you some of the specs on this, right? So the blade length itself is 4.75 inches. For you folks that are like, oh, I want to know about centimeters and I'm not, sorry, convert it please. 4.75. I may do the kindness of putting them down in the description, but for right now, 4.75 inches as far as the blade goes. I'll drop the sheath and we'll come back to that. So 4.5 inches, you'll see how it fits in my hand. Fits really, really nice. My hand is, it's extra large from a glove perspective. So that kind of gives you a little bit of an example or a feeling, if you will. Blade thickness is 0.125 inches. So it's got some size, it's got some beef for this thing. Overall length is 10 inches. It's 1095 high carbon steel, for those of you that wanted to know. 1095 high carbon. The blade finish is called Stonewashed. I like it. It gives it kind of a gray finish to it. Looking forward to putting a little more oomph into the patina myself, but that's with me using it. It has nothing to do with them or anything. Green gray micarta handles, so you can see those. So the color you're seeing, it is green gray. I like it. To me, it's a very, very pretty color as far as that goes. 7.1 ounces as far as the weight goes. Yeah, this is the part I wanted to know. So the sheath itself is, let's bring it back up, black Kydex and Cordura, and it's ambidextrous. So if I wanted to switch it to the other side, in other words, I wanted to put it to where the thumb push is on the opposite side, I could do so. Same with the ferro rods, all that. You can go and change that. And it has the 2 expandable ferro rod holders. There you go, for 3/8 and 1/2 inch diameter. Well, slicing my hand open. Hopefully you can see these. And again, as we get into the testing, you'll see one is bigger than the other. So you've got your 1/2 inch and your 3/8 inch. I like that because it gives you the flexibility of carrying both. And again, 2 is 1, 1 is none. And the ability to carry, well, more stuff without having to carry it and like, oh, I put it in this bag, I can't remember what pocket, etc. It's a collaboration they did. I say collaboration, not really collaboration. It is something they farmed out to Condor Knives from El Salvador. So many of you know Joe and the Condor Knife family. This is who's actually manufactured the knives themselves. So just keep that in mind. I'm a big fan of Condor, simply for the fact of it is one of those that it's not overly expensive and they're quality, right? So great knives, never had a problem. I've never had a problem with them. If you have, I apologize. Reach out to them. I know that I have been reached out to before by somebody that did buy one, and my response was, reach out to them. They'll take care of you. So there's that. All right, folks, so let's go through a couple of other little pieces. You've got plenty of tie-out points should you want to use them. Again, you've got the Cordura sheath and the fact that you can put it in two different ways. So if I want to carry it vertical, that's great. If I want to carry it as a dangler, that's fine. If I want to carry it horizontal, I can do that as well. Carry it across draw, I can do that as well. The list goes on, right? So the biggest thing for me about knives is I don't want to be stuck with one setup, right? Because I know good and well I've made extra sheaths and stuff like that because, oh no, I need to carry it this way, or I want to carry it on my bag, or I want to carry it fill in the blank. So the flexibility is there as well. I'm pleased with it. Right now we're just talking about the knife itself, the unboxing part of it, but I will tell you they've done a great job. It is full tang. Some of you are going to ask that one. It is full tang. You see all the way through. Blow your screen up, don't look on your phone, enlarge the picture. But yeah, I am a huge fan. It feels, and again, this is the 10-inch one. It feels really good in my hand. So there's that. All right, folks, so what I'll do is we'll stop and we'll get to the testing one. And again, it's going to be a series, right? So you've got the Spirit, which is the 10. You've got the Courage, which is the bigger one. And then the, which is the blade on that is like 6.5 inches. I'll read out the specs on it. And then the Gallantry. We'll save that one for last because that's the beast. That is the monster of them all. Anyway, hey y'all, thanks for everything you do. I'll put the link down below of where you can purchase these. Again, if you buy all three as a set, then you get to save money. More money than if you bought them separate. But if you're buying them together, then you're spending more money. Y'all know how that works. Anyway, love the guys over at Survival University. I look forward to teaching with them this summer, as I do every summer. Really enjoy spending time with them and everything. So anyway, until then, use your instinct to survive. Thanks for watching.